Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 7 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, April the 10th at Dollar General, and they are all under $1 per item. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So just a quick reminder, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. If you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here, and if you use it, you'll receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, I highly recommend Fetch Rewards if you are a new couponer. Definitely go and download the app and try it out. It is super simple and easy to earn back money on the products that you're already buying. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on those items, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. And also, throughout this video, you're going to hear me talk about the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program, where you can scan your receipt into their website and you'll earn points on the P&G products that you've purchased. Now, if you are new to this rewards program, I did a brief overview in a couple of my previous videos. I will link those in a pinned comment down below just in case y'all want to go and check it out. And as always, all of my referral links for all of the rebate apps that I use is in the description box below. Alright guys, really quickly we're going to go over some DG tips for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General or for anyone who is new to my channel. I just want to say we've got a lot of new subscribers and a lot of new couponers too. So welcome to all of you guys. Please leave me a comment down below if you are a new subscriber and say hello so that I can welcome you to my channel and say hello back. Alright guys, so here are my DG tips. You want to keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. You want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. So here's how I go about checkout whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday at Dollar General. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more, and that is before taxes. Now, if your store has the newer keypads, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads in place, you can actually look on that screen and it will show you your subtotal. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have an older keypad, you can just simply look down at that screen and it will show you which digital coupons do apply, and you can scroll up and down on that screen. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction, regroup, and try again because all of your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you've handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. So before we get into the breakdowns, we do have a few Dollar General digital glitches that are going on. First up, we have the Tide Simply Liquid Laundry Detergent 128 ounce. So I did make a post about this in the community tab, so make sure that you're subscribed and that your notifications are turned on so that those will show up. So anyways, these are priced at $8.95. This 3 off 1 for the regular Tide is glitching with the Tide Simply, so that will leave you paying just $5.95. Also, the 3 off 1 Tide coupon is glitching with the Tide Simply Plus Oxy 150 ounce liquid laundry detergent or the Tide Simply Plus Oxy Pods 55 count. So those are priced at $10.95. If you want to use this 3 off 1 digital coupon on one of those, that will leave you paying just $7.95. And again, keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account, so you will have to choose which way you want to go with this coupon. Now, we also received this Save $5 on any 1 package of Huggies and 1 package of Huggies Overnights diapers. So this coupon is glitching because it is working on just 2 of the regular bags of Huggies diapers. You do not have to buy the Huggies Overnights diapers. So you can pick up 2 bags of Huggies diapers at $17. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and that will leave you paying $12 for 2. So last week I did include a diapers deal in my scenarios video. If you all are interested in seeing a scenario with this glitch for this week, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I can post one in the community tab. Just whenever I was putting together this video, it just didn't cross my mind until now that everything's done. So just let me know down below if you all need a diaper deal this week, and I will be happy to put one together. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into these 5 off $25 scenarios, and I just want to ask a little favor of you all again. Just a quick reminder to please let the video play all the way through. I know that the way that I set these videos up, it is very easy to skip through, take your screenshots, and keep it moving. If you need to do that, that's fine. Just hit that replay button, turn your volume all the way down, and let the video run through at least once. I would really appreciate it. It makes a huge difference for my videos and for my channel. And I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you all for watching my videos, for supporting my channel, and I know that there's a few of you guys out there who watch it 2 or 3 times just for the heck of it. So I appreciate you. Thank you all so much. It really does mean the world to me. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up one Tide Simply Liquid Laundry Detergent 128 ounce for $8.95. You can pick up the Refreshing Breeze, Daybreak Fresh, or Vanilla and Citrus scent. One of the Snuggle Fabric Softener 100 ounce for $4.50. One Cottonelle 12 count bath tissue for $4.75. One Schick Classic Razors for $4. 3 of the Pantene Travel Size for $4.50. 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents. And your subtotal will be $27.38. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Tide, 150 off 1 Snuggle, 1 off 1 Cottonelle, 3 off 1 Schick Razors, 5 off 3 Pantene, and 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.88 for 9 items, or just 87 cents each. Then you can submit your receipt to the P&G Good website, and you're going to earn 200 points. So for this second scenario, you want to pick up one of the Charmin Essentials 12-pack bath tissue for $5, one of the Cottonelle 12-pack bath tissues for $4.75, 2 of the Pinalene multi-purpose cleaner for $2. They are $1 each. Now, I do want to mention that this glitch is not working in certain areas of the country. It's still working for me. I tried it out yesterday, but it has been reported to not be working for some people. So make sure that you scan that. You can find those in the dollar aisle. 1 Airwick warmer for $1.65, 2 of the Crest with Scope mouthwashes for $6. They are $3 each, and you can substitute out with other $3 Crest or Oral-B products. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $6. They are priced at $2 each. Your subtotal is going to be $25.40. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you need your 5 off 25, your 1 off 1 Charmin Essentials, 1 off 1 Cottonelle, 125 off 1 Pinalene, 150 off 1 Airwick product, 3 off 2 Crest or Oral-B products, and the 5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.65 for 10 items, or just 76 cents each. And then you're going to scan your receipt to the P&G website, and you're going to earn 250 points. So for our third scenario, you want to pick up one of the Tide Simply Liquid 128 ounce for $8.95, 1 Oral-B Floss for $3, 1 Crest with Scope mouthwash for $3, 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $6, they are $2 each, 2 of the Pinalene multi-purpose cleaners for $2, 1 Febreze plug-in for $3, and 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. Those are $1.50 each. Your subtotal will be $30.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, your 3 off 1 Tide, your 3 off 2 Crest or Oral-B products, your 5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B products, 125 off 2 Pinalene. Here's a typo. It's supposed to be 2 off 1 for the Febreze plug-in, not 3 off 1. It's a 2 off 1 coupon. Then the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.20 for 12 items, or just 52 cents each. Then you can scan your receipt into the P&G Good website, and you're going to earn 250 points. So for this fourth scenario, we're throwing in the new root to end hair products. You want to pick up 2 of those for $10, 1 of these Schick classic razors for $4, 1 of these Skintimate shave gels for $3, 1 of the Covergirl eyeliners 2-pack for $4, 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50, and your subtotal will be $25.50. And here are the coupons that you need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 root to end products, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 1 off 1 Skintimate shave gel, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.50 for 8 items, or just 68 cents each, and that is a really awesome deal considering those root to end products are $10 just by themselves. Then you can scan your receipt into the P&G Good website and you're going to earn 150 points. So for this fifth scenario, we have a kind of a dog food deal here. You want to pick up 6 cans of the Purina Dog Chow for $6. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Purina Dog Chow 13.5 pound bags for $9. 1 of the Purina Puppy Chow for $4.65. 3 of the Pantene travel size for $4.50. 2 of the Nabisco Go Packs for $2, they are $1 each, and 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $26.83. Now, I do want to caution you all on these Purina coupons. A lot of them aren't working with the products that they should work with. I did go in store the other day and tried to scan items to see what was working with what, but my store was out of stock of nearly everything. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but I kind of just ended up having to go off what I could type in my app and pull up from home. So for the 13.5 pound bag, I just wanted to tell you all that was the lamb flavored dog food, and then for the puppy chow, the 4 pound bag, it was chicken flavored. So I'm not quite sure if that will help you all out or not. They may work on other flavors. I was just pretty limited because my store was out of stock. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Make sure that you scan the Purina coupons, Purina products, to make sure that those coupons are attaching. And I know that a lot of us have different value of Purina coupons as well. So here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you're 5 off 25, 150 off 6 cans of Purina dog food, 2 off 1 for the Purina dog food 13 pound bags or larger. Now that's the coupon that you're going to need to check to see if it's on your account. I checked on a couple of my accounts. One, I have a 150 off one. Another account, I have a 2 off one. And another account, I have a 225 off one. So you may need to redo the math on this screen, but just double check your account and go from there. Then you're going to use your 150 off 1 Purina Puppy Chow, 5 off 3 Pantene, 1 off 2 Nabisco Go Packs. Sorry, that's another typo there. It's supposed to be 1 off 2. And the 1 off 2 for the Welch's Fruit Snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.83 for 15 items, or just 65 cents each. And again, that's an awesome deal because that 13 pound bag of dog food is $9 all by itself. Then you're going to scan your receipt into the P&G Good website and you're going to earn 150 points. Alright guys, so for the sixth scenario, we're going to do a kind of a cat food deal, kind of a snack deal. But for this one, you want to pick up 4 of the Powerades. They are on sale this week for 85 cents each. Picking up 4 will put you at $3.40. 2 of the General Mills cereals, they are also on sale this week, 2 for $5. 1 of the 3 pound bag of Rachael Ray cat food for $4.05. 1 of the 20 pound bags of Tidy Cats cat litter for $5.75. 2 of the Nabisco Go Packs for $2, they are $1 each. 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents, and 3 of the Pantene Travel Size for $4.50. Your subtotal will be $25.38. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you're 5 off 25. The buy 3, get 1 free Powerade. 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, $1.75 off 1 Rachael Ray cat food, 1 off 1 Tidy Cats cat litter, 1 off 2 Nabisco Go Packs, 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks, and the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.78 for 15 items. Then you're going to scan your receipt into the P&G Good website and you're going to earn 150 points. But it gets even better because we do have a rebate on Ibotta. We have $1.50 back on the Rachael Ray Nutrish Dry Cat Food 3 to 14 pound bags. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $1.50 back. That'll make your final price just $7.28 for 15 items, or just 48 cents each. So if you're not already signed up for Ibotta and you are interested in downloading the app, you can look in the description box below. There's a video linked there on how to sign up and use Ibotta. I walk you through step by step on how to sign up and how to use it. I go through a couple of examples and how the whole app works. So go and check that out. They do have a $20 welcome bonus right now, and if you sign up and use my referral code, you will become a part of my team and we can start earning those monthly rebates together. Now, I do want to say that Ibotta video was made over a year ago. It was one of the very first videos that I ever uploaded to my YouTube channel, so take it easy on me over there in the comment section. But I literally had no idea what I was doing, and since then, I've been working, I've been growing, I've been learning new things. So I say all that because over the next few months, I plan on doing some beginner couponer videos on rebate apps, on different stores. We're just going to see what all we can get into, but I'm going to start with the rebate apps. Now, of course, I have went over different apps throughout my channel on different videos, but I want to have a video for each app so that it's really super easy to find and that they're shorter videos. So, of course, I'm going to go over all of the apps that I'm currently using, Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, of course. And if you all have any suggestions of apps that you're using that you enjoy, or apps that you've heard about and you're interested in, but you're not sure, really how it works or something like that, leave it in the comment section down below because I would love to try out some new apps and see what it's all about and give you guys my feedback and let you know if it's worth it or not. So you guys let me know what you think about that down in the comment section. And enough of my rambling, here is our 7th and final scenario. So for our final scenario, this is going to be our low out-of-pocket deal. So you want to pick up one of the Tide Simply Liquid 128 ounce for $8.95, 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50, 1 of the Schick Classic razors for $4, 1 Covergirl eyeliner 2-pack for $4, 1 of the Febreze plug-ins for $3, and 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal is going to be $25.13. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Tide, 5 off 3 Pantene, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 3 off 1 Covergirl eye, 2 off 1 Febreze plug-in, 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks, and your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.13 for 9 items, or just 34 cents each. Then you're going to scan your receipt into the P&G website and you're going to get 250 points. Now that is an awesome deal considering that Tide Simply laundry detergent is $8.95 all by itself. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now if you do need some more ideas, go back and check out last week's 5 off 25 scenarios videos. Last week I put out 2 different ones, so I will link those in a pinned comment down below. A lot of those scenarios and coupons are still good for this week. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Thank you all so much for stopping by and spending a little time with me today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video or make a post in the community tab. Please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. As always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from y'all, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.